Montalcino, a true gem of the Val d'Orcia, is a blend of history, beauty and tradition. This enchanting village is surrounded by golden hills and vineyards known worldwide for the famous Brunello wine. Walking through its medieval walls feels like stepping back in time, among ancient workshops, charming silence, and the aromas of Tuscan cuisine. Among its treasures, the Church of Sant'Egidio is worth a stop, simple on the outside but surprising inside, with understated decorations and a warm light that enhances its intimate atmosphere. The delicate colors of the frescoes and the elegant altar express a quiet yet profound sense of spirituality.